Hello, welcome to this. This is basic work, basic maintenance that needs to happen on my 1976 Porsche 924, my track car. You flip around, you can see she's a bit rough. Some scratches here, right? You know, this is tray front badge panel here has all been beaten up a little bit. Down here as well, scratches, nicks. We have the battery on charge, tender mostly. I've wiped off the cover, checked the cap and rotor, simply because this car's been having a little bit of a misfire under heavy acceleration at 5,000 RPM. I think I found the issue though. It's not the cap. It's not the cap. It's not the rotor inside. But coming down here, we have this wire here. It was a little loose on the inside, so we're going to be cutting that later. Reseat, putting on a new end so that it's nice and solid and not flopping around. What else can we show you about the car? Right now it's dirty. I'm going to find a way to clean it up before we cover it up. But anyways, we have the nice 944S wing on it. I think it's actually just a standard 944 rear wing. I am part of PCA, part of Rennsport region. I have taken the seat out, the driver's seat, given it a nice vacuum up in here. Probably still going to need to clean this part up a bit. Simply because we're going to make this car nice and clean. Because there's no point in working on a dirty car. Here is the handbrake cable. We'll get a good shot on how rusty and crappy that is. This will not adjust. Right here. See how rusty that is? This whole section here, we need to clean that up. Need to get that nice and clean because the handbrake is connected to the drum brakes in the back. Nice little drums. You can't see them through the wheel. There it is, drum brake. Drum brake. So we're going to clean that up. That'll get the handbrake working and then we'll go from there. So for now, let's get some lubricant on that sucker. And we'll see what we can do after a few days of liquid wrench, WD-40, you name it, it's going on it. We're going to get this moving.